uncomfortably warm.
Just tried to hit me with the thing.
So uncomfortably warm.
It's not my fault. Actually, it kind of is.
It kind of is. It most definitely is kind of your fault.
I needed to go to town. Nobody likes my car and I needed to go to town.
Well. That is super dirty. Yeah, that's still hot.
Sorry.
Ooh, that's hot.
At least the oil will be nice and thin.
Oh, ouchie, that's hot. Hold on. That is hot. It's really hard to pretend you're not here.
I didn't say it would be easy. So why Fram?
Because it was cheap and Walmart had it. Normally we'd be running Mobile 1, but they didn't have it in stock.
Because you have a 2020.
Right.
Nobody has anything in stock for 2020s. How long does an oil change last for you?
Depends on how you drive. It's got a little computer sensor. Oil change for me will last 2, maybe 3 months.
You already drained the oil out of it?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you gotta use a socket. No, shut up. This is actual shipyard worker telling you to shut up. My most commonly used tool is a Harbor Freight crescent wrench.
Works for just about anything, right?
The Harbor Freight metric strip all. Good to go. You know how they say no matter how fast you are, you're never fast enough not to get oil on your hands?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to be.
It's hot.
It's hot. Ah, ouch. Yeah.
You dropped your bolt.
Yeah, you did, you go.
Just thought you should know.
What?
Just thought you should know. I can hear you mumbling at me from the other side.
Oh, I'm groaning because I gotta stick my hand in there to find the bolt.
I know where it is. Jay, what are you doing the differential?
Because the owner's manual said 20,000 miles.
Okay.
That, and we've kind of put water over the hood a few times.
Yeah.
Your fault.
I was
I want a picture of that! Hey, you could edit that little video clip in there. It's on TikTok. Got the water over the hood and everything.
Yeah, I might do that. Up top. Wait, what? Didn't know that.
Kodiak. Kodiak.
That's cool.
Kodiak. Hey, Kodiak. Okay.
What?
I don't have my keys.
So you can't reset the computer?
2 seconds.
1, 2.
There we go.
Yay!
It's right in the bottom.
Ew.
It's got water in it.
Got what?
It's water.
So it's a good thing we're changing.
Also, that sludge, it's normal. Don't worry about it.
All that sludge is normal.
Yeah. Just metal filings. If you get big chunks, that's bad.
So Jeep is good.
Yeah. Fill spot.
I don't feel so bad.
Okay, and you keep the two separate. One without the stuff, without the magnet is the top. One with the magnet is the bottom. Just let it drain for a minute.
Always make sure those two are separated.
What?
Always make sure those two are separated. Yellow stuff, oil resistant.
Yellow stuff, oil resistant.
Oh, come on, Oregon.
Work with me here.
Work with us, Oregon. Work with us. And now I'm wet. Seriously, Oregon. It is sunny. Right over there.
Yes, well, it's not here.
What are you looking for?
Oh, my rag. That's okay.
I got it.
Okay, and my neck is like right up here somewhere. Yo, ho.
Gonna laugh if you stab your tire.
I won't. I got 4 of them in the backyard. Okay.
Shutting up.
Look, I got purple oil just for you.
Yay, purple! Yeah, you got purple oil because they had the right white. Oh, you have to squeeze it in.
Yes, you do.
Best thing, you want that as tight as possible.
Come on. I know you want to go in there. This may not be good.
Why?
That was loose.
Oh, that's awesome. Ew.
Oh, that doesn't have water in it.
No? Why was it loose? That's the worst sounding thing I've heard.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
Better?
Better.
See, it's stuff like that.
It's going on the internet?
And now I'm all kinds of messed up. I've even got the wrong direction on this.
That thing has a direction?
Yeah.
Didn't know that.
No, I had it right the first time. Good grief, you've got me all kinds of messed up.
This is going on the internet. Besides, he says I'm hard to ignore when I do things like this.
You are.
I'm like, now he does it. That is cheating.
That's not available in the four-door.
We do regular maintenance to Raider for a couple of reasons. We do a lot of off-roading with Raider, and regular maintenance is important to keep Raider going. All the oil that you see will be recycled. We do have a facility close by. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell, turn on all your notifications, give us a thumbs up, and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.